Chuck on your headset, guys, and watch these products as if they were right in front of you. For best results, watch through your headset YouTube app. You can also just watch on your phones or computers and drag the screen around using your cursor. So KIWI-design were very kind to send me these 3 products to try out using this new way of filming. The RGB Vertical Stand for the Quest 2 and 3 and Quest Pro. The SPC Comfort Battery Headstrap and the 16-foot link cable. So what's in the boxes? For the RGB Vertical Stand we have the rest stand for the Quest and controllers, instructions and connection cable, the bottom of the stand, the top piece, the back piece which the back of the Quest will rest on, and the centre piece which everything connects to. For the SPC Battery Headstrap we have the cable clip, the instruction book, the back headrest cradle and top velcro strap, a wipe cloth and the battery headpiece. And then we have the instruction manual and the 16-foot USB to Type-C link cable. So this stand is especially made for MetaQuests, and how gorgeous it looks, especially paired with the specially designed KIWI SPC battery headset. And I love that I don't have to remove my controller grips for them to sit in the stand holders. The headset sits nicely on the stand, a shelf at the front for the Quest 3 and then a shelf at the back which the battery or the back of the headset sits. So now my headset and controllers all sit beautifully organised on this stand and ready to hand, instead of having to keep them in a drawer or leave them lying around on tables. The charging wire from the stand to your device may prove a bit of a problem if you use battery headsets, as the weight seems off a bit. So the Quest 3 sits differently, so the connection goes slightly sideways. But I found if you move the Quest to the left a little bit, the wire will connect correctly. There is also a magnetic clip supplied by KIWI to use on the headset if you don't own the KIWI SPC battery headset, which allows you to connect to the stand, or you could just opt to use a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, without a doubt, the strongest feature on this stand has got to be that coloured strip light across the front of the stand. 16 optional colours with 4 dim settings. Choose your colour or just have them all going at once. I recommend using that setting. The SPC battery headstrap is the same as the other KIWI battery headstrap, except with the difference that this one has a magnetic connection for the RGB stand. The extra game time you should expect is around 3 hours, give or take 30 minutes, as it really depends on which game you play, the volume settings, and if you are using your Quest 3 to record or not. So here is how I tested these products. First, I plugged the Quest 3's power adapter and Type-C cable into the KIWI stand. I drained the Quest 3 battery until it powered off. Then I charged the Quest 3 by itself, and it took 2 hours to charge. I then charged the SPC battery headset by itself using the RGB stand, and that took 5 hours and 28 minutes to charge. Then I completely drained the Quest 3 and the battery headset, and then put them on charge on the RGB stand, and they both charged at 10 hours and 20 minutes. I also did a test using the KIWI link cable. I drained the SPC battery headstrap, I connected the Type-C input at the back of the KIWI SPC battery and plugged the USB into my extension plug, and it took 5 hours and 40 minutes to charge the SPC battery headstrap. So I tested the link cable by downloading and uploading files between my Quest 3 and M1 MacBook Pro. So I uploaded a 1.76GB movie from my MacBook Pro M1 to my Quest 3 using the normal Type-C cable, and that took 1 minute 20 seconds. Then I uploaded the exact same movie file using the KIWI link cable, and that took 14 seconds. Then I downloaded a 2.20GB size gain file from my Quest 3 to my MacBook Pro M1 using the normal Type-C cable, and that took 1 minute 48 seconds. And then I downloaded the exact same file using the KIWI link cable, and that took 18 seconds. So it seems quicker to charge the Quest 3 and battery headset separately on the headstand, saving yourself almost 3 hours, unless you put them on overnight to charge. The link cable is impressive for download and upload speeds, but it's not going to make any difference on charging your devices, as I think the cable is too long, and from what I understand, it's about how much power your device needs to draw, not how much power the adapter will deliver. So if you have a 30 watt device and a 10 watt adapter, then it's not enough power for the device to draw from. If you have a 45 watt adapter, then your 30 watt device has enough power to draw from. But regardless if your adapter is a 45 watt or 120 watt, if your device only needs 30 watts, then that's all it will take from the adapter. I'm not sure about linking it from a PC to a Quest, as I don't own this type of setup, but I imagine it's going to greatly improve the connection as it's transferring data and not carrying a current. The stand is a great investment in my opinion, as it will keep your valuable device together with its controllers in one place, and it keeps them safe upon that colourful throne. If you decide to buy these products, please use my links below for some extra discount. Thanks for watching guys, and happy gaming.